Beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle, guys. This has been a restored vehicle about 10 years ago. They did a beautiful job. Let's check out the engine compartment real quick. This one's got a real healthy 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter. You got the high-rise aluminum intake. You got a set of headers that were recently installed with power steering, new booster and cylinder for the power disc brakes. Just a very, very clean setup there, as you can see. Core support has been custom painted. So listen, anybody that does stuff like this really takes care of their cars. Under the hood has been painted as well. All of the trim, grille, chrome, the front, all in the front here has all been replaced. It all looks great. Dual sport mirrors on both sides, as you can see. You got the hood pins as well. The paint is gorgeous on this vehicle. As you can see, the front power cross-drilled disc brakes upgrade with the upgraded American Racing wheels and a newer set of tires, guys. Nice trim all around. Door lips are in great condition. Factory pinch welds on the doors. New SS door panels. You got beautiful door jambs in and out. Weather stripping all replaced. Upgraded Pro Car bucket recline seats. Nice and soft. You do match the back with the seat belts. That pockets tray is right there. That little piece there is coming up. I will get that in there. It's just glue that came off, and I'll get that fixed. Tight headliner as well with dome light functioning. You got tilt wheel here with the beautiful Chevy wooden high gloss steering wheel there. RPM tach has been installed, and the water tach for the temperature has been installed. Upgraded radio, Pioneer setup, dual gauge package, B&M shifter, and then you got your center console there with the for your Dunkin' Donuts coffees in the morning. Nice dash as well. When you go to your car shows, listen to this door, how it closes. Beautiful. Let's listen to this thing real quick. Definitely nice mild cam, because the RPMs do pay attention to the throttle. Yeah, beautiful. I believe this back original bumper is chrome. You got factory panels, factory quarters, all GM stamped here. Spare tire jack assembly, solid trunk, all painted with new weather stripping. Beautiful. Reflection is super nice on this Hugger orange paint. Passenger side, just as nice. Okay, there you have it, folks. 1971 Chevy Chevelle waiting for you guys here at MGM Classic Cars. Few upgrades that we could talk about. Let me just shut this off for a second. So some of the upgrades that our service department here at MGM handles. And again, you can roll all this extras, all these optional stuff, accessories, or should I say, into your loan package. So if you, for example, if you wanted to hype up the stereo system here, this thing has a great deck unit, but if you wanted to go like a Kenwood Bluetooth setup with Alexa on there, we can install that, and you can do the kick panel speakers that now they make. Actually, this one has it right there. And it's got a nice stereo system with Bluetooth. So if you wanted to add the 6x9s in the package tray, we can do that. It's not a big deal, not a big cost. But you can roll all this into your loan if you wanted to. If you wanted tinted windows, we can do that. If you wanted a rear backup camera with a 7-inch LED screen, we can do that for you guys. Ceramic coating is something that we can handle as well, or a 2-step paint correction, but this thing is real nice. You know, all of that, like ceramic coating, it just makes it look wet, but this car already does look that way, so I wouldn't spend my money, but we offer it if you wanted that. We also can do a lot of other things to these vehicles. So just keep that in mind. Warranty packages start at $695. And again, you can roll that into your loan. Speaking about loans, if you need one, you'll need two things: good credit and 10% down of the purchase price of the vehicle only, okay? Payments are long-term, they're low. Low monthly payments to make things affordable. No prepayment penalty if you decide to refi or get out of it or pay it off. That's not a problem either. So just keep all of that in mind here. I'll just continue to walk around this beautiful, beautiful Chevelle for you guys. And so credit scores, you know, if you're between like, let's say like 620 to 770, you will need 10% down, like I said. All approvals are based off your credit profile, okay? And again, if you want to roll in your sales tax for your state, you can roll that into your loan. You can also roll in your delivery charges. That's not a problem that we can do. So just keep that in mind. You will need about $4,500 down in the grand total of things, so just keep that in mind. For those of you who have a credit score of 780 and higher, I possibly have a no money down option for you guys as well. Okay, so keep that in mind. Grab a pen. I want to give you my phone number. If you have any questions, you can call. If I don't answer, please leave a voicemail or I won't call you back. I need a voicemail if I don't answer. I'm usually doing this while you're calling me. So, yeah, leave a voicemail. I'll get back to you. If you need delivery and you want a quote right to your driveway, we're licensed, insured, and bonded for this car, for the purchase price of the car to your driveway. So keep that in mind. I will need your zip code, okay? And also your make and model. So you can call or text, but I do prefer text. And then when you text me your zip code, don't forget, and the year, make, and model, or a picture of the car, something. Okay, so my number is area code 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching, MGM. We'll talk soon.